Tax Form 1095-A is a health insurance marketplace statement. If you purchased a health insurance plan through healthcare.gov or your state marketplace, you'll receive a 1095-A form. This form includes all the information you need to report health insurance on your taxes, including how long you were covered, total monthly premiums, and how much premium tax credit assistance you received, if any. To enter your 1095-A information, simply search 1095-A when signed into TurboTax, or select the Health Insurance section. We'll ask you questions about your health coverage and prompt you to enter your 1095-A information. You must enter a 1095-A for everyone on your taxes who was enrolled in a marketplace plan. If you received an advanced premium tax credit to help pay for your premiums, TurboTax will handle all the calculations and tell you if you are owed any additional credits or must pay some back. For more answers to your questions, visit turbotax.com/support.